Oh guys, kakapagupit ko lang. Tapos, inabot na kami ng gabi. Tapos yun yung kapit ko. Kaya, tara. Pagpatuloy lang natin tong pag-YouTuber natin. At sa vlog na to is titikman natin lahat ng nasa biscuit area namin. Okay. Tara na! Tara na, bilis! So, una, kinat ko lang to. Una, Whoopi Malo Cake! Yan, tara na. Una natin. Woo!
I love it. We just love to see it. Magkano? Okay, napagod ako eh. Okay lang ba? Ate, bago natin simulan to, okay lang to mag-predict na tayo.
Yan.
Kasi parang,
And siya, guys.
ilang minutes mo matatapos?
Ang sarap!
Yan, yung second
Ang
game.
sarap, guys. Subukan mo natin.
Siguro kain nila.
Ay, okay. And we leave it at that.
Yung kuya ko,
Gentlemen, kumain muna tayo. Maraming
nanonood
Isipin
ng
mo naman kasi,
MTL.
pag ganyan ba naman ang brother mo? Papalo at papalo talaga. Baka nga
Pilipinas pinakamalakas!
top one
Yan.
average rating
Ubusin na natin to.
3.3 sa F6 World Cup. Asan naman si Aaron Chicky ngayon? Ay, nasa 5 na. Na-touch by touch na kasi.
Dito concert guys Pero, Whoopi, baka naman.
Negative na. Negative na yung KDE niya. And si Kela, net positive pa rin. Game number 1, isang basis lang sa naman ay yan. Game number 2, hindi siya napatay. Hindi siya napatay. Paano talaga? World standard performance. Wala rin ko kay and feeling ko pagdating na game number 3, baka hindi na yung match team. Kasi very critical ito for DLI. Baka makita na natin yung game of game plan. Kasi just the dynamics of how the blocking sa ating process. Kasi sobrang kaya honestly ng Bruno in the first half. Actually, hindi ko maganda yung counter kasi narinig mo naman si Martin Ibon kanina sa sila dala malaking point of view. Ganun siya kadaya. Baka yung late game na yung ask nila kasi it's na talaga eh. I think yung alaga pa nila talaga nila kay Kelra, you have to give props to the other 4 players as well. Specifically kina Bruce and Taker. Kasi sila talaga yung umatang na damage pa. May mga times na maabot sa situation na single talaga yung nakukuha ng direction of this game. And they're willing to have that rather than losing Kelra in the early context na natin. We like for game number 3. Momentum is
Obos na.
on the side of Panarin on Philippines. We're currently looking at the bats right now. DLID still on the blue side. Pero sabi nila, hindi na pwedeng palakasin yung Louie at yung Bruno. Look! O sige, full respect. Sige!
Tapos, baka nakita ng TLID, pinuha nila kanina. Player Troy, but the same issue with servicing and the third parang gagawin nila sa friend with ni King Kong. But at least, limited tayo mga patterns na kailangan i-play dito ng TLID. Siguro, kailangan na lang i-isipin na nila yung kita na pwedeng i-return.
That's right.
Ang pwede mangyari dito is TLID gets the they get the Hilda on the other side, alongside maybe the legs of, Pexana or Valentina.
And in addition, now you have the Joy, right? Gaya na nabanggit mo. Pika Val, Joy is going to be a pickup here. Hilda or Valentina, just like what you said, could be an option here. Pwede rin yata sila mag-high-loss.
So guys, umuwi pa kasi.
Nagtapon
Nagtapon pa ako ng basura, kaya natagalan ako biscuit. Iihi muna ako guys. Yung kuya ko din, nagkukuha ng biscuit. Wait lang nga. Nagpapakuha pala ng biscuit. Uy,
Pwede rin magamit ni Kelra just in case, pero knowing that the Joy is there, parang, it's also a huge threat towards that blue lane. pwede pa rin naman nila pagsabayin yung Hilda and Ranger, or maybe even the Hylos and Ranger.
Yeah, for sure.
Para at least meron silang pantakas sa super sa runway. But they go for the Karen. And the Gatot Kacha, none of their love yung pinili dito ng F-Pro. And ang gusto nila dito is yung pro team fight prowess na isang Karen and ang Gatot Kacha. Mid-game power spike is a thing.
Ganun lang,
And
Ruby.
PNIP, kailangan nilang sumabay dito sa role na ipapakita ng F-Pro. Kasi ngayon, medyo all-in sila.
So guys, like natitikman natin ay ito.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, as in,
Asiya good.
dapat dito,
Ngipin yung kapatid
Liquid
ko.
Indonesia, given na halos pupunoy din kasi yung lineup na meron ng ano eh, ang Fnatic mo ng Philippines, like the first two mix.
Ano ba yung Lupi Malukay?
You would expect na most of the battle spells like the Flicker and the Purify is gonna be wasted at this point in time. So ang build-up na ginawa dito ng Team Liquid Indonesia is to move for a tank hero like the Hilda na posibleng mapunta na naman kaya naman hindi niya nakabakat ko in like the first two games.
So guys,
magbago yung
binigyan ko ng Lupi Malukay.
and power link.
At saka, busog na ako guys. Kanina pa ako kumakain ng kanin. Hindi nyo lang alam. Yan, kaya busog na ako. Ano gagawin? Mag-subscribe at mag-like and share tong video to. Kung hindi, mumultuin ka mamayang alas 2. Bye! Peace out, subscribe!